What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Join me on another video where I'll be putting in some more parts for the 2024 Yamaha R1. And today I'm gonna show you guys what I got here. Let's see what we got now. So Puig windscreen finally came in. We got the Puig windscreen that's going to be replacing the OEM one. I got it in the Z Racer form, so we'll see how that installs. And in the last video, what do we got here? Yep, this is from our friends here at the Komodo family, Revzilla. Thank you guys. So what we got here? Flow. Hey, Flow still looking the same. And that's that. So in the last video, I was talking about this piece, and to be honest, I don't know how I messed it up, but I'm gonna redeem myself because I'll be replacing the rear passenger seat with the cowl. So I'm excited for this part right here because we got some instructions, and here it is. You got, it looks like the hardware. So this we'll go ahead and put over here. But this, I want to see what this looks like. Oh man. Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Tell me that's not sexy. That is awesome. Oh, this is actually a cushion. Okay, I thought it wasn't. I thought it was just all hard plastic, but that's neat. Wow, wow, wow. This is gonna be nice. Can't wait to install this. So it looks like we got the instruction manual here for R7, for an R1. Looks pretty simple enough. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. We will need some tools, and let me put this over here, that way nothing happens to that baby. So it seems like we got, oh, this is a bracket. It seems like we got everything here for the washers, which this one's only for the R6. If you have the R6, you install this, but for the R1, you don't. And then we got all the hardware here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this installed quickly. It shouldn't take very long. I said it should be about like 30 minutes, so let's see if we can shorten that up a little bit. I feel like that's a little bit too much, but let's see here. I'm actually gonna keep these out, yeah, because once I put this on, it seems like I won't be able to reach that very easily. So we're gonna get this bracket, and it seems like this bracket is gonna be mounted right here. So let's get the hardware. Alright, so that goes right here like that. So I like how Yamaha already came with like a pre-method of like installing these pieces. So we got that. And then torque value is about 7 Newton meters. That's that. And we'll do another click. Nice. So it seems like once that is installed, we can go ahead and put this piece on. And same thing, we got a little cushion there for vibration dampening. And that goes just like that. Wow. Wow, wow. Look, just look at that. And tell me that doesn't look amazing. Let's see. So, using the 5mm Allen, and then when you tie these down, these only take about 2 Newton meters, which I just don't see myself doing that. Let's see, because this should be able to lift. Yep. I don't know if the angle justifies it, but there's a little hole right there. Yeah, you know what actually helps? Yeah, this is a little tip here. Figure out the angle first, where it needs to go in. So, oh wow, that's very aggressive, no wonder. So it needs to go just like that. Okay. That's a really, really aggressive angle. So same thing, we're just gonna go ahead and slide this piece on. We're gonna take this, move this little flap, and then we're gonna do that really aggressive angle. And then now, it's going in smooth. Yep, it's pretty snug. Now we'll take the other side, and go around here. And same thing, we're gonna have that aggressive angle. It's not that bad. It's just the angle. And of course, if you ever need to reach anything in there, yeah, you're gonna need to carry some tools to be able to take this off. So that's pretty much snug. Like I said, it only takes about 2 Newton meters, so we're not gonna do that tight. We're just gonna just enough to where it's snug. Yeah, that's pretty much good. Then let me see, final reassuring. There it is. Now it's good. And that's that. So rear coils installed. Look how uniform it looks now. Now it's completed with the passenger peg elimination. Now it's supposed to look correct. Next, I just want to go ahead and try this real quick because I have a feeling that I might have to take off the mirrors, and if so, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here, and then just kind of figure all out, because I have to take off some panels and stuff, and I've never done that before, so definitely gonna take a little bit. So this is from factory, by the way, guys. So this right here, this is their factory torque on them. Like I didn't take these off. I've never taken these off. So they just come off just like that. And let's see. Moment of truth, because I did look under. Here, I'll put these in my pocket. Yeah, I did look under, and there's a lip right here. It's a lip right here. It seems like where it aligns. But I looked to see if it connects in any way, shape, or form with the actual mirrors themselves, and it doesn't seem like it does. So let's see if we can. That one came out pretty good. That one came out pretty good. All I need is 2 more. And we're back. So I ended up taking the mirrors out, and I'm not 100% sure if you really needed to, but the only reason why I took them out is because it seems like I needed enough flex to be able to separate this so that I can pull this out. Because on this one, on the original one, you can see where it mounts on the front, and such, and then where you tie it down. But then on this one, it slides in this part. So this part right here, you could go ahead and just pull it out. But there's a clip that holds onto this. And then that's what gets it to be a little difficult to remove. Now on the new one, let's see. Let's see. I got Puig sticker, some stuff here, the aerodynamics. So I'm supposed to get a 24% increase in helmet protection, 52% upper body protection, lower body is about the same. Protection 61% increase. That's pretty neat. I like that. Look at the new one. So if we were to compare the old one and the new one, you see there's a lot of stuff on the Puig one that, you know, it's just different. So these, from what I remember, on the from the R7, we had to save these, and we actually have to reuse these again. So let's go ahead and just take these off, and you could just like literally slide them right off. We'll put this right here. And then now, the trick's gonna be getting these on. So I mean, I would just start with one lip at a time. Just kind of work your way in there, and as we get more and more in there, then it'll be easier to pop the rest. And if you start pulling it from the other side, kind of pulling that lip over, you know, see? And it gets right in place. So let's go ahead and just get the other ones in. All right. Yeah, by the looks of it, this one should be a lot. And I'm saying like a lot easier to put in. I'm really hoping so. Because it wasn't a pain in the butt. So after I cut off the video, it took me probably like 10 minutes. But still, so it was the first time I was trying to make sure I do it carefully. Alright, so this one's about done. Now it's all set, ready to install. So same thing. Seems like we gotta slide it in. Let's see. See that little slot right there? We gotta make sure we put that piece in there. And the rest should just go right in place. So that piece goes in there, nice and snug. And let's see here. Yeah, and this part, it says you're gonna have to flex it a little bit. So see right away, you're gonna have to like mess with it a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing this, get it all tidied up, and I'll get back. So when we do put these back, make sure that you keep the washer. So there's a plastic washer so that way you don't damage the plastic. And the bit is gonna be a Torx, so it's gonna be a T20 right in place. And as you saw me removing them, it didn't take very long to, you know, didn't take very much torque to remove them. So same thing, don't over tighten them. It's all plastic, it will break. So we'll be right back. And with that, that's the conclusion of the installation here. So windscreen is finally on, mirrors are back on. It's like I said, these T20 head screws, I literally hand tighten, finger tighten, not that tight. Because even the washers themselves, you could feel like if you go any tighter, they'll break. But it's all completed. Time to take this little thing off. Ooh, 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 that's the best part right there. And we got a little mini one for bonus. But yeah, it came out pretty good. I'll take that one out later. Came out pretty good. for the most part. So there's really nothing else I'm gonna do with it for cosmetics. I mean, the only other thing I was thinking is maybe the winglet. I looked at the Puig winglets, but I'm gonna keep looking around for other companies to see what other options there are for, you know, that specific part. But with that, this is it. Rear cowl installed. We got the front windscreen done. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. If you guys like the video, hit it and subscribe to support. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.